Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kayla. If you don't know me, what's good, girl? How you do? Today I'm going to do as you know by the title, I'm going to create a look using the Jaclyn Morphe Vault Collection. Okay, look, this is what we're going to do. We're going to do 4 different videos, right? Each video doing a different palette. There's 4 palettes in the Vault Collection. Today's palette is the The first palette I'm going to use is the Dark Magic palette. Looks like that. If you keep up with the beauty community, if you know a little Shasha, I'm pretty sure that you know that Jaclyn collaborated with Morphe to create this collection. It's big controversy going on with these palettes. Like, some people love them, some people hate them. I hope I got a good one because I waste $50, you know, for some shit. I'm just kidding. No, but seriously, I actually really like Jaclyn and I support her. So I wanted to, like, you know, why not? I want to, like, really see how the, you know, palette works and, like, how the shadows move and everything. Jaclyn recently posted a video using the Dark Magic palette. She did, like, a olive green eye. Came out nice. Didn't look like she really had any issues. I mean, it's a little bit of things. But I want to see how it works. I want to put it to the test and see what we working on. I already have my face on. I've been seeing a lot of people, like, priming their lid with concealer but not setting it with the setting powder. I've always been scared to do that, but I'm going to give it a try today because, like, why not? So, yeah. I'm going to put a little concealer. Oh, that's a lot. Great. They say that, like, it's nice to do this without setting it with a powder because it helps bring pigment to, it helps bring out the most pigment with your shadows. And I don't know, it's just like a little tacky little base for the shadows to stick on. So we're gonna see how this works out for me. I really need to clean my brushes. This is like a damn shame. I'm annoyed. I use the wow, damn. I use the Too Faced Born This Way concealer to prime my eyes. I'm gonna go in with this shade Shush, and I'm going to put this all over my eye to, you know, get it going. Okay, I'm nervous. I'm just putting this all over my crease. Even my crease like so. I really don't know where I'm going with this look. My plan is to do an all over smoky eye, but we're gonna just see what life brings us, okay? I'm not being, like, precise with this. It's okay if it gets on the lid. I'm really focusing it on my crease. This is just like my transition color, so it's okay if it gets on the lid. So far, no issues here, people. Okay, honestly, this is a look. I want to use the color Potion right here because this is the shade people have really been having issues with. So I want to see how it does. I really, really hope I have no problems with this because, like, honestly, $50. Well, they're like 15 a piece, but still, it's my money. I don't care. Oh gosh, Lord Jesus, I love you. Amen. No problems here, people. And I'm just deepening this, putting this in my crease, also deepening that shade. Wow, I just got anxious. I'm being really, really messy, not precise at all. Still not sure what I'm going for. I still want to, like, try to use as many colors in the palette as I can. That's the goal. Looks okay to me. I'm going to take the same brush I used the first color on, and I'm going to just blend this out. I'm going to take the shade Inside Job. It's like a darker green. Just, like, focus this below my crease in the outer corner. Ooh. 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 I'm gonna take the same blending brush I used for the first shadow, and I'm just gonna blend that up top a little. Hold up. Is it blending away? I'm gonna go back in with the brush I used Potion on, the first green shade, and just blend this out. I'm gonna take the shade Mojo, it's like a brown, and I'm gonna put that in my crease to like deepen up the crease. More so in my outer corner. And dragging it down a little. So like starting from the end of my eye to the middle. If that makes sense. I'm gonna take this fluffy blending brush and just like lightly, because I don't want to blend any of the color away. I'm gonna put some concealer on the back of my hand and take a little shader brush and just cut my crease halfway. And I think it's easier to like cut your crease while your eye's open so you can still see the cut crease when my eye is open. You know what I mean? So now I'm gonna take a flat shader brush, okay? And I'm gonna put Power Cut, this shade right here. I'm gonna put Power Cut all over the part where I put concealer. And I'm stamping that on here. I'm gonna take Inside Job, that darker green, and I'm going to take my little dense brush and like really tilt my brush like this so that way not so much product is getting on my lid. It'll be easier to like define in the crease is what I'm trying to say. I'm gonna tilt it up and like really make sure I watch where I'm putting that line. It's better if you use like a definer brush or a angled liner brush. You can really like focus on putting that line there. I'm just gonna take my little denser pencil brush and like lightly blend that upwards so it's away from where I cut my crease. I don't want a harsh line, so I'm like trying to like blend the two together. I think I want to put a little bit of Diversion. This is like a darker shade than Power Cut. It's like more brownie where Power Cut's more silvery. Lightly, I'm gonna take a little bit to put in the middle where these two colors meet so it's more of a bleed. Just a little bit. Take the side of this blender brush that I first used Inside Job on, which is that dark green. I'm going to put over top to make sure that's matte. I'm gonna use Poof, which is the lighter shade in the palette, to highlight my brow bone. Now guys, I'm going to clean up my mess. My under eye, I'm going to take Shush. Take Potion and put this. Yeah, I'm not having any problems with these shadows. Wow. Then I'm going to take Inside Job and I'm going to take a definer brush. Well, actually I'm going to take the same angled liner brush I used to clean up my cut crease, and I'm going to just stamp that on my lower lash line. The lashes I'm going to use are the Smoky Muse lashes by the House of Lashes. And for my bottom lashes, I'm going to put some mascara on. Take a brown lip liner. I'm going to take this color by Cosmetics Underground. That one like that. Kylie Cosmetics Literally Gloss, and this is my completed look using this palette. I hope you guys like it. I had no issues with the blending. I'm so freaking thankful. I saw so many tutorials where the shadows were just not cooperating, so I'm really glad it worked out for me. I like this palette. Gets a thumb up for me. I hope this video can get a thumbs up from you. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys liked it. See me next week for another video because I love you. And if you haven't watched my latest video, which is a vlog, my part 1 when I was in Spain, watch that. Part 2 will be coming up. Should be up at least Sunday. That's what the goal is. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. It'll really help me. I got plans, I got dreams, I got things to do. So why not help me out? You know, I love you. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another video from me. And also you should turn on your notifications because that's really nice. And I don't know. Another thing, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. I have a Facebook for my YouTube and everything. So basically, check the description box. Everything will be linked down below. Yeah. It's time to get this video uploaded because I gotta go to work tomorrow.